That boy. Yo, chat, we in at 330 M3 today. No cap. Alright, what's up, chat? We in the M3 330i today. We doing our thing. We have a surprise for Zay. Today's Zay's birthday. Everybody say happy birthday to Zay. We got a big surprise for him today. We're gonna get it done. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna hit this jewel up first. We got a special surprise there for him to get. Then after that, y'all gonna see the next surprise. We'll catch you guys up when we get there. Chat, this 330 move, no cap. B30 definitely moved, chat. We in a little bit of a time crunch. You see how it says arrival 12:40? We gotta make that arrival say 12 o'clock. No cap. That arrival needs to say 12 o'clock, and we're gonna make that happen. We're going to cut this hour in half. What we're about to do right now, actually. There's so much traffic out here, it's insane. Oh shoot, chat! Show you guys the heart of NYC, baby. Whole bunch of big body trucks and all kinds of whatnot over here. No cap. It's an amazing view, man. We told you already, come sign with 2Fly. Y'all could be doing drives like this on the daily, just because y'all want to. Nothing else. S580 behind us, Ram truck. Make this left real quick. We're literally up the street from the destination. Yo, why he walk like that, chat? Yo, he walk mad funny, bro. He dead walk mad funny. So beautiful, bro. Oh my god. Look at all these people, man. The city that never sleeps, man. If you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. Oh my. So, chat, we just made it to the city, literally, just now. We are 11 minutes from the jeweler. Yeah, bro, 11 minutes from the jeweler. We'll be there in 11 minutes. Hardest part is gonna be to find parking. I swear to God, it is. But we gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. We got a mission to accomplish today. No cap. Got a mission to accomplish, and we're gonna do it. Lamb truck behind me. Day in the life, man. What are you doing over here? Go somewhere. They don't look like they're giving out tickets today. Appreciate it. Whew.
My bad.
You good?
I'm chilling, bro. You?
Yeah.
You're redoing the whole shop upstairs.
Oh, word?
Yeah, no clients for the day upstairs.
Oh shit. How long till they
should be done tomorrow, hopefully. If not tomorrow, then the day after. Oh yeah, that's fire.
Oh shit.
Fire.
That's gas.
That was like my personal favorite, not gonna lie. It's just sturdy. Custom blend. You know the streamer Rakai?
Yeah.
We're making one for him right now, him and his cameraman.
Oh, word?
Yeah, so
That's gas. That's tough. He's gonna go nuts. He's gonna go nuts off of
Yeah,
that.
facts. I don't know, cause he wanted some other shit. He wanted the Skelly,
Yeah.
but they sold out on the Skelly.
But
But it's
that's
like
yeah.
you could get multiple.
Yeah.
Get bored of them anyways.
That's still gas
Keep
though.
that.
Cool. Gas. Is that an FF90? Or am I bugging?
Nigga said you're not riding a Rari, right?
That's comedy.
Who the fuck hit the nigga?
Who?
Charger.
Oh shoot, he's clipped.
I'm going for you.
I bet he's clipped. Huh? My boy. Appreciate you, my boy. I got you. I got your card, right?
Yeah, you fake.
Good looks, bro.
Fake.
Appreciate it, my boy.
No, you, fake. No, you.
You sure?
Y the car white.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
Give me a card.
Huh?
Give me a card.
You can?
Give me another one.
No, for me, please, ticket.
I got you, my boy.
No, she not ticket for you.
For real?
Yeah, this is the car, the car, the white car.
Yeah?
No, you car. Looking the ticket. Looking. No, it's the car, you. No, you car.
Oh
man.
shit!
Yeah, man.
Yo!
No, you car.
No!
Yeah, no, you car, bro.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it, my boy. I'll be back, you heard?
Bro, my ticket for me, looking the car, man.
I bet. I got your card.
Nah, man, bro.
I got your
Me
card.
looking.
Yeah?
Hey, my friend, no, he pinned it.
I bet.
Yeah, man.
Good looks, my boy. I appreciate it. I'm gonna be back.
No ticket for you guys?
Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna come back for you guys. I got you. Trust me, I got you.
Bro, okay, no ticket for me, no ticket.
Huh?
No ticket for me.
I'm gonna come shop with you. Gold? Yup.
Oh, no, you.
I'm gonna come shop. I got you, my boy.
Oh, man.
I got you.
Oh, man. No, who, my bro?
Yeah, he was really trying to get a sale. Yeah, he was really trying to get a sale, chat. That shit said Toyota on it. That shit said Toyota. That shit said Toyota. That nigga's a deep right at the airport. We here, boys. The best gifts of all is coming out very soon. It should be right about there, yeah. You're going to keep driving. Huh? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Here you go. Huh?
I'm about to run inside real quick.
Bet.
I'll take a piss. Just sit in the driver's seat in case they tell you to move up.
Bet. Well, yeah. Had a good flight?
Thanks.
No problem. We got our package secured. Holy shit, boys. Oh.
Hooked specialist. And I guess me and Bori follow each other, so that's how he was like, oh shit.
So he still didn't say who got it. Who did it?
I wish I knew who did. Bro, that shit made my shit. I woke up, my shit at 800K interactions. I was like, and 40 followers just off official Big Boo's posting me. And then I sent him the video of me making about the lamb, and he was like, LOL, what's this? I was like, LOL, why'd you take it down? Because they took down the post after I started.
Why? Did he say why they took down?
Oh.
Nah.
Corny.
I don't let up though.
Just corny though. Just
Yo,
corny.
so the fly junkie nigga, what I was telling you.
Yeah.
See?
Oh, it's scannable?
Yo, I don't know how he did that. That shit fire though.
Oh no, that's gas.
Gotta figure out how
Wait.
to do that.
Wait, put it on the back. No, put it on the back.
Oh, the back of the phone?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
There it goes. No, that's gas.
some too fly shit and put it on every key. It's fire.
That's gonna be gas.
Don't feed this number.
Bro, snap and like the shit snapped off of it.
that. I took it off my phone.
Yeah, this shit ain't going nowhere. That shit ain't moving. You ain't see the video of the snap? The video is snap.
Why couldn't Chris Mack the TV like that? No, we would have been sturdy. Like,
Nigga, that was the cheapest fix that we had. Amen.
nah, you know what? You gotta get that client another car. If that nigga know how
No,
to
he
Mac,
said-
he knows how to Mac
He
efficient.
literally said, he literally said that. Bro, I would never do that. He's like, bro, I don't know what happened. Nigga, you know what happened.
I don't know what happened either, but feel me? That's why you put him in another car. This nigga knows how to Mac efficiently.
Oh, actually, it's a Mac that you could fix
It's a Mac that you could fix right away. Feel me?
Look.
Oh,
It was this shit.
that's nothing.
Yeah. All you had to do was remove these.
Yo.
Remove those and put a new one. So it's
No
that.
airbag. See, he loves you. He loves your car, bro. He could really tear this bitch up. Could have really flipped this
Like
shit.
that.
For me, he did it though. Yo, he did it though. For me, we still. For me,
Yo, we about to smoke.
your client got good
Today we
bread.
about to smoke.
Your client got good bread food. Yo,
Today we
look,
about to smoke, bro.
the way this shit should have really been torn up is that nigga really hit a shit like he
I'm
did.
about to call him back. I'm about to call this bitch back. Like, yo, we don't got no fucking. We don't got no feminine. Yo, you got to take
What are you doing?
Not going for the job for sake. That's what we did. Here your turbo inlets. That's your intake manifold right there. Don't forget that. Here's your strut bar made out of fucking aluminum. And the S55 is carbon fiber. We're still overall 35% more rigid than the F chassis. Dave was about to kill both of us in my sleep like 4 times. That's why I fell asleep,
Yesterday?
so I didn't have to experience it.
Yeah, me and Boy. That's like me
Hey,
and Boy.
that's on the road.
You know what I mean? We don't stop.
Boy goes off road, Dave goes off road.
But we lit.
Where we land though?
Yo, bro, it's not that. It's just a 5-minute helicopter.
Come on,
Why you saying all this, bro? Like, now,
5
bro.
minutes.
I remember Florida, y'all wasting while I'm having an anxiety attack. Y'all racing the plane next to us.
Wait, what?
Noah counting off 1, 2,
Oh,
60 roll, 120 roll.
Yo.
Bro, but that's different. We're going to get a car.
We're going to spin around in a helicopter for nothing. But pictures. But photos. Photos that I ain't never gonna post because I'll post.
Bro, you're going to see the view, bro, and you're going to be like, alright.
I see it in the
I'll
view.
go back here and do this every night. Tell you shit.
It's worth it, too, 'cause I see a truck.
I'm gonna show me some tickets right now because I don't trust shit.
Why would we show you the ticket? You're gonna cancel it.
You can still cancel this shit. Yo, cancel this shit right now. We can go to Room Chris. Fuck this shit. Yo, fuck this shit right now, bro. We can go to Room Chris, get some prime
Can we
res.
just go to barbecue spot right now?
Yo.
Go follow me to your spot.
What's going on?
Hey, David trying to run a multiple restaurant.
Someone's not David.
What the fuck was that? It's dark outside.
Oh shoot!
What time did we get here?
It's 5:15.
30 minutes ago.
Dang.
Yo, this dude 30 miles to run.
What do you think? Car's good up?
I don't know.
What do you mean he's blowing your mind, but you not reading what he's saying?
Wait, I go through 30.
Who's in it?
Robert telling me, where is your running spot? Like, where's your people? At that.
Spot up my boy, man. Spot up my boy, man.
Happy birthday!
Bro. I feel the same exact way.
Thank you. Have a good night. Thank you. Have a good night. Yo.
That was bad.
Nah, bro. That could have got back quick.
You think he watched it from his other page, though?
I'm saying he did, low key.
I feel like he definitely doesn't know about the girl, though.
No, he 100% doesn't know because he didn't post her at all.
So far, all he knows is about probably the watch. That's all he knows about.
Yeah.
Nah, it's gonna be lit though. It's gonna be memorable.
Yeah, for sure, skis, bro.
Like I said, that's all this day is about, of making it memorable.
Nah, no doubt.
No doubt.
And I love that for us.
Alright, now you're taking this conversation to a whole different conversation. So I'm gonna exit the chat.
What, you scared of a little loyalty or something?
Whoa, don't question me about loyalty. You're the one who's eating cheesecake without niggas.
Once fucking Friday.
No, word, every Friday is crazy.
Every Friday?
At 5 p.m. Once a year.
Oh, it's traditional.
Yo, why the fuck's the engine check light on in this bitch?
Oh shit, the battery's about to die.
GG's.
Nah, we're still going to the helicopter shit. Don't even. We're all actually taking a black truck. Trash driving us there.
Right there, and there's nowhere to buy a charger.
To the where?
Always.
Oh. Alright. Let's just.
That's a dead end down there?
Yeah.
I can put it on
Let's just put it by the grass over there. Like.
All the way at the dead end?
No, you see where that white shit is?
Yeah.
That white pole, let's just put it over there.
Just put it in front of the house.
Nah, yeah, facts. Cause we need to get Zay's reaction when he walks in. So
Oh, so let me go in there now.
Yeah.
Yo, turn that TV off too.
Okay, so here's the thing. He's at like the supermarket getting a case of water.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have one of my bros stand by the fridge so he can record Zay's reaction coming in. And then you're gonna stand. Damn, I don't know. Should she show herself when he walks in or not?
No.
Or
Let
should
him.
he just walk while he's walking over here? She just appears type shit.
Where is she exactly? Is he
Where are you?
Here.
Oh. Yeah, fake. Yeah.
Word, you stay in the hallway
Once
like
you hear
ominous.
his voice and hear him like walking down and acting like Zay.
Mm-hmm.
Or not?
No,
No,
he's-
actually, no. You
hold
should
his phone.
You should record from the inside.
Okay.
So you stand over there, and we'll get his reaction from coming in.
That can work too.
Cause then we'll walk in. He'll turn on the lights, and we'll make sure he's first. And then you just walk through the thing.
Okay.
Yeah, that would be that's fire.
Boom.
Let me text the group chat with Noah and let them know that.
Here he comes. Hopefully he doesn't keep going straight.
Yeah, shit fire. Last night. Sure.
Happy birthday.
Yo, look on the table.
Yo, y'all are horrible. Yo. Damn. Damn, y'all are horrible. Fucking people. Y'all got it. Y'all got it. Yo, what the fuck I was supposed to say? Yo. I don't know. I don't know. Just like, I don't know.
Regular degular shit, bro.
Regular degular shit.
You gotta
Hold on.
that shit. Oh, it's lit.
Oh.
Damn. It's like God. Blood.
Oh, y'all go dab me up?
Wait, hold on.
Yo. Oh, yo, it's some help me.
I'll unblock you from
How
my
did you
story
get
now.
here?
I flew.
Huh?
I'll unblock you from my story now.
Yo, well, I'm here.
When was the last time you spoke to her, bro?
This morning. I'm fucked.
Yeah. I want to ghost a little bit.
I did not expect none of this. Y'all funny. I mean, welcome back to New York. We just went stupid.
Nigga called me in the morning. He's like, nah, I just planned to be at the shop, bro. What a bozo. Yeah, bro. Go look for the water too, bro. I just needed the extra 5 minutes. Dumbass.
This nigga don't got a head.
Bday Financial Banking Team. We here for you whenever, whatever you need for me. Artora, 790 for me. A Venador.
I tried to also make that happen. It didn't happen. My bad.
Super sturdy. Super sturdy.
Y'all not even like break this.
Like, what the fuck? Like, y'all butt. I don't even do this horny shit. Like,
What? He's so
Yo.
Stop pacing, bro.
nah,
Relax.
this is the only thing I can do when my mind doesn't work.
Alright, 25 minutes.
I can
We're
flip. Like,
leaving.
huh?
In 25 minutes, we are leaving.
Yeah, all of us. Yeah. We going to You been on a helicopter before? You like play?
You feel me like
We can still make that happen.
No.
So you never went to fucking Timbuktu?
No.
The fuck is
There's
that?
not
Yo.
even a new facility.
Wait, what? You
Jordy was telling me this morning, I'm so excited to go to the new track facility, coach bugging, da. I'm realized, like, I can't say what I want to say, but, like, for me, respectfully, just call out type shit. Tell me your period is, like, 10 days extended. You might have got pregnant by your business partner. Like,
What?
Like, tell them, like, real life. Oh, my God, you're real life here to, like, witness my antics in real life. Yo, bro, like, you don't understand,
This
bro.
was
Like,
at 2 a.m.
for me,
Shop.
Mommy, yo, who's too vlog, mommy? You wanna get the French with the iPad?
No, I spent it on your wrist.
Yo. Yo.
Wait, hold on. We really need to probably know. We got the asthma pump? Wait, they gonna take the Airbnb deposit though, cause we didn't pay the party fee, bro. Yo, bro, we gotta pay the party fee, bro. They gonna take the deposit. Yo, bro, they gonna, yo, Davey, they gonna take our deposit, bro.
I didn't leave no deposit. How are they gonna take a deposit? He can't even charge nothing to BNB right now. He gonna have to charge it to the game.
Charge to the game.
Yo?
Yo. Nah, bro. Yo, he's lit right now.
Nah, hear me out. Yo, bro, what the fuck happened? Put on the back light. What the fuck happened? Are you okay? Me hitting my neck, nickname, for me? You're gonna get the cinematic.
Close the door. Make sure you lock it.
You're gonna get the cinematic of all this, right? You right there, type shit, for me? But like, hear me out though. Yo.
So you didn't go to practice?
No.
No service, no location.
No service, no location.
Okay, I guess I can say that.
Yeah, bro.
I mean, like niggas bug. Like what the fuck?
No cops.
No cops.
No cops. Suck my dick.
You actually believe that?
All of it.
You're not Sage did her shit, bro. This was all her.
That ass. Was stupid.
I had to install a little bit.
Yo, I'm dying.
I ain't know get this one.
Damn.
Yeah, bro.
You know what I say now? Like, I'm freezing and stuff like that. Like, y'all bug.
Yeah, rich, bro.
Yo,
Word.
fuck the rent. I mean, like,
T30 never went out. She was busting props in your T30. It's about to go out right now, though.
Where's the 330 at?
We just hit it. That's why we had to come here, because we had to hide
It's
it.
in the backyard.
No.
You can't put a car in it.
Oh, yo.
It is going out, though, right now. Plan is coming together.
Yo, bud.
Nigga believes anything.
Nah, real shit, that's crazy.
This is like this fucking.
I told this nigga I was going to take my dad somewhere far this morning. That's why I had to leave the shop. Nigga believed it.
Last Addy I seen this nigga, he was in fucking right before Queens.
Me and Aunt went to go drop the car off to her. We went to Diamond District this morning.
Word.
All today?
We was in
Yeah.
the city.
Oh, your vlog gotta go stupid.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Nigga, Zay got the car. Nigga look like.
I don't know nothing about that. Yo, y'all bugs. I don't even eat cake like what? Like.
Oh, not.
Oh,
Oh,
word.
God,
Yeah.
Yo.
He goes to the restaurant and he's like, wait, what was he like? You guys have cheesecake. And
Word,
we just all looked at him like, yo, cheesecake, nigga, you don't eat cheesecake. He's like, yeah, bro, it's been some.
I love cheesecake.
Yo, bug. Yo, bug.
Yeah, bro.
Shit like that,
Niggas fucking bugs, funny as bit. Like, we,
Yo.
like,
What's wrong?
Word.
Hey, tell me that. Uber. Oh my god. Like, yo, bro, this is sex. Like,
Hey.
Yo.
hold on, like,
You
yo.
recording on this?
Huh?
Yeah, I just put it back on.
So you said, like, for me, like. Oh my gosh. Like, for me, can you please move your hands from my arm so I can fucking see? And move my hoodie up a little bit? God damn. For me, like, we out of this bit. Like, what y'all talking about? Like, for me, like.
Yeah, we're
Alright.
gonna step out.
Word. Yo, happy birthday, my boy. Yo.
I was never able to lift it up, so that was just a test of strength. Feel me?
Yo.
Yo.
What?
You close her in?
Oh shit, you can't leave? Wait, you're not supposed to leave. Oh my god, did you break it down? I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
like, hold on,
Bro, the present, bro.
You gotta go home.
Change. Everything has to go according to the day, bro. Just because you're happy doesn't stop the plan of the day. I don't even know where y'all going. I just know you gotta leave.
Sex?
I said facts.
how y'all gonna bring my nigga down?
Nah.
Yeah.
How do you say the credit?
What? I'll play it. Just take the seat and get the fuck out of here.
Word. You guys have an amazing night.
We need the case of water.